Hi my friends, it's Ian here and welcome to your autoresponder members area. Now this looks slightly different to BuildABizOnline because it is. Now the autoresponder, if I'd have known this, how important an autoresponder was when I first started affiliate marketing, then I would have built the autoresponder first and then brought in all the programs from BuildABizOnline. I could still do that, but BuildABizOnline has got such a good reputation and it's known by many people, thousands, millions across the internet. So I don't want to change the structure of things. So what I had to do is to buy another autoresponder script and then adapt it to fit the BuildABizOnline needs. Now, this works seamlessly with your BuildABizOnline members area, and I'm hoping that you have logged in and from your BuildABizOnline members area. Okay, so what I want to do in this video is just show you the menu structure and what we can do to help you. Okay, so this is the dashboard or members home. You'll always come back here when you click on that. And this is the log out button. Okay, I suggest you do that every time you've finished with your autoresponder for the day. Now we've got campaign training, creating your first campaign, adding your messages to your campaign, and also how to avoid spam words, because they can get your messages put straight into the spam boxes of your visitors. We have our tools where this logs you back into the BuildABizOnline members area. So we've got an inline form generator, two-step form generator, scarcity bar, video background, track your ads, that's important, multiple page builder, capture page builder. Now this multiple page builder goes hand in hand with creating all the pages within an autoresponder. I'll show you that more in a minute. There's a capture page template builder. What I want you to try and do is get away from the simple way that we show you here. We want you to create your own templates, not use the default ones, okay? It's important that you stick out from the rest of the people promoting what you are promoting. So we've got exit pop-ups and an email generator. Okay, so all these things you can click on there and it'll take you back to BuildABizOnline and you'll be able to use that. Now then, we've got some advanced training in video format over at YouTube. Now what I would like you to do, especially under this video, if this is the first time you've seen it, I'd like you to subscribe, hit that bell and click all, and that way you will get notified every time I add a training video. Okay, so, and you can do the same. Comment underneath this video if you wish. I would love to know your comments. One or two people have done that, but not enough. Okay, so obviously this is the video that you're watching right now, and this is your little welcome to your autoresponder members area. Now, if you have gained access to this, then you become an upgraded member over at BuildABizOnline. And you need to note this: to keep your bonus autoresponder active and fully unlocked, simply maintain your current membership level. Now, if you are a $12 member, you can upgrade to the $16 member and get unlimited campaigns and unlimited opt-ins and referrals into your capture pages. If your account is downgraded or a payment lapses, then this will be removed. but you can regain it to full access by reactivating your subscription. Okay, there's no free with this. It's a free bonus, but it's only free if you're an upgraded member. A little bit more information down here, and if you can compare us with Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, System.io, these are the general ones. You could see $16 is nothing at all. $16 is nothing. And below here, we've got some ready-made campaigns that you can use if you so wish. Okay, you can view this. That is the actual capture page. The capture page for this one is just there. And you can view the list building one, which is a little bit more in depth. And you can simply just copy these. And this is the fat loss. Okay, this is quite a good niche. A lot of people, especially this time of year, I'm doing this in December, they would love to shed a few pounds after those seasonal festivities. But more about that in the videos, okay? So, almost ready built campaigns, just click on that. Now, I just want to run through this. We've got 4 simple things to show you now, okay? All we need is 4 links for your autoresponder, and these yellow links are to do with your campaigns. So if you click on here, you'll see a number of campaigns that I've got in this test account. Okay, if I click on to, I don't know, the bottom one, if I click on there, you will see there's the capture page link. So let me open that up, and that's what this capture page looks like. And then if I want to, I can change the capture page template. Now, if you build them using our template builder, you need to choose the blank one. Okay, so more about that in the videos. Now, these are the settings. This is where it can look a little bit more daunting, but I can assure you it's not. This is all your meta information. So this is what Google will be crawling for and searching for. Okay, so this is your confirmation email. Leave this as it is. And then if you scroll down, that is the capture page that I've built. This here is the confirmation page. So they will fill this form in, and then they'll get this asking them to go to their email address. We always use double opt-in. We do not use single opt-in. That's more or less becoming illegal now. And this one here is the thank you. Okay? And if they want to unsubscribe, you must have an unsubscribe page. You might be able to capture them and get them to join something else instead. Okay? So there we have it. That's the 4 pages that make up a funnel. Now, when it comes to your emails, you click on there and you can add them. Let's go to that one. And these are the emails. And I can edit them anytime I wish. Now, these are what we call not plain text. These are HTML. So if I click on this now, you'll see the HTML editor pops up. Okay, and I can compose emails in there. Right, let's go back. And there are more emails there. And it's simple enough to add them, and there's a video showing you. Now, I'm not going to click on this because you'll see some on the individual ones, because you'll see the campaign subscribers and their details, their email addresses and so on. Now, if I want to send a broadcast to any one of these, now, I must just say, we've had a few members saying, I would like to send an email to every single one of these. But the thing is this, we've got spam laws, not mine, the world's spam laws. For instance, if I've signed somebody up to the secret to list building, then it's pointless me sending them an email, the same email, to people that have been interested in fat loss. Does that make sense? Now, you could send a generic one, I suppose, but can I trust members to actually send a generic one? Because we don't want to get into trouble with any spam bots or anything in this world. Okay, it's complicated enough as it is to get a good reputation for an autoresponder. So we keep it simple. If I want to send one email to the people in this campaign, and this is a brand new campaign, so I've just added that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. But if I wanted to send it a broadcast to everybody in that campaign, say I'd got 400, which I've got over 6,000 in one of my campaigns, then I can do that just in here. I can preview the message and then I can send the message when I'm happy. Okay, my friends? So there we have it. That is the autoresponder, and I've explained, I do hope, the best I can in this short video. So welcome to your autoresponder. And it is simple to use. We have made this as simple as possible. We've got members that are in their 90s using this system. And if you ever get stuck, you can always ask Jane something. Okay, by clicking on this, ask her a question, or you can send me a mail by clicking on this one here. Okay, my friends, so that's it. That's your introduction to the autoresponder over at BuildABizOnline. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.